We've been around for over 50 years, and everything that we've done in those 50 years has been about responding to the needs of the local community.
BusinessJournalDaily.com 3 Minutes With is brought to you by Farmers National Bank.
Save, borrow, and invest with Farmers. Take heart knowing you're helping create a strong community. Mind your money at Farmers. Talk directly to local decision makers about your loans, investments, and insurance. Farmers. Fiercely local, fiercely loyal.
A number of years ago at Meridian, we recognized that was really critical for people's health was that we would bring together both behavioral health, mental health, and physical health. And this project here is just a culmination of that, to make it more convenient for our patients to get the services that they need. Right? 1, 2, 3. All right. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. We are here celebrating another addition to our building here at Meridian Road to better enhance the service that we can provide for our patients. It's going to be more convenient for them. We're adding not only physical exam rooms, but counseling offices, and most importantly, a pharmacy, because we want to make it more convenient for our patients when they see their doctor or they see their counselor and they get a prescription. Before they leave the building, they can walk down the hall, get their prescription filled, and go about their life and really improve their health. And so that's why we're doing this. Everything's about how we can make it more convenient for our patients.
We're really trying to fill the needs of all the residents in the valley. We get people that come from quite a distance for help. We have a lot of people in recovery, and you're right, this is our third expansion just here. We have locations in Mahoning and other places in Mahoning. We have locations in Trumbull, and we're just trying to fill the need.
A lot of what we're trying to do here is integrated care. And if you think about this, for too long, there's been a separation between behavioral health and primary health care. We know people who struggle with mental illness or people who struggle with addictions have a life expectancy that's less than people who don't, mainly because they don't get the proper health care that they need. On the other hand, we know so many people who struggle with anxiety and depression who get a prescription from their physician, but don't go to counseling to get at the root of that problem. And also, how many people are diagnosed with cancer or multiple sclerosis or diabetes, and that comes with a lot of anxiety and angst and depression, and they don't get counseling for that. So what we're really trying to do is blend behavioral health and physical health together.
We're a nonprofit. There are for-profit places that have opened up, and I don't think they offer the services that we do. You know, we look at complete care of the person. We look at helping them find housing, helping them find jobs, helping them find a pharmacy, helping them find medical care. It's not just giving them counseling or medication and saying goodbye. You know, it's taking, we call it the circle of care. That's what really helps a person be successful in recovery, is if they can get a job, get transportation, get medical care, get, all those needs is what gives a person the best chance at being successful in recovery.
This is going to create about 10 new jobs, professional jobs, pharmacists, pharmacist assistants, and counselors and physicians. We hope to be open the first quarter of next year. Square footage wise, it's about 6,000 square feet, and it's being funded, 50% of the funding coming from the Ohio Department of Behavioral Health and support from the local Mental Health and Recovery Board. This building was built about 15 years ago as a result of the opiate epidemic that we've all been dealing with. And while a lot of other organizations were saying that, well, we're just full, we were at capacity, we can't add on, we actually bought this property, built this facility so that we can double the capacity of what we're doing in order to treat the community. We've been around for over 50 years, and everything that we've done in those 50 years has been about responding to the needs of the local community.
BusinessJournalDaily.com 3 Minutes With is brought to you by Farmers National Bank.
Save, borrow, and invest with Farmers. Take heart knowing you're helping create a strong community. Mind your money at Farmers. Talk directly to local decision makers about your loans, investments, and insurance. Farmers. Fiercely local, fiercely loyal.